John. We are currently en route.
We are en route to the Flurp Airtekk Slam September car show at Nassau Coliseum. Yeah, man, haven't been to one of these joints in a hot minute, so super dope to see how the community's been, vibe out with everyone. Yo, just see what the vibes are, you know? So yeah, we got Keith driving the whippity doodah over here, and yeah, man. Shout out to FLIPZCO. You already know. Sponsor video. Check it out on the channel. Subscribe, like if you want to see more of me and not Justin. And yeah, see you soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I come in.
Okay.
Have you already paid?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, wait.
Did you not know?
Yeah. I also didn't know you had an STI.
Yes, I have my confirmation number.
This is Ryan.
I'm Ryan.
This is Keith.
Hi, Ryan.
Nice meeting
What's up,
you.
bud? We got drifting.
Drifting?
Yeah, we got like actual drifting. We got go-karts in the back and HCVs. Yo, it's our first collaboration. It's me and Papa Flurp. We put together a huge meet because honestly speaking, 2020 was kind of whack. And New York just needed an excuse to have a good time. So we put together a judge show. We have a general show, so if your car's not up to par, you can still join in on the fun. We got drifting, as you hear in the background, go-karts, we got ATVs, just a little bit of everything for the whole family. There's also food trucks, a converted like fire truck into a food truck, police truck into a food truck. It's just good time, that's what it is. King Lennox, K-I-N-G-L-E-N-Y-X, that's me. Be safe. You guys get to park on the right side. You guys are cool kids.
What is up, everybody? We are at Sonic right now. I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I got tired of walking around.
After lunch and a bit of drinks, we are ready to start round 2 of this walkthrough. Check out the drifting again. I feel a little loosey-goosey up in this here. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back.
Shout out to FLIPZCO, the one and only.
Yo, Justin! Fix your Corvette, bro. Let's go. Come on.
Thank you for coming to the event. I hope you had a great time. I know I did. I'm gonna hit them with the cheesy crib steak. You don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the out of here, bro.
Shout out to Airtekk, shout out to Flurp. Super dope event. What a great way to end the summer, you know? Shout out to them for just, you know, throwing something together because they know how terrible this year's been. So many different tragedies and everything that's been going on, but super, super dope to just have an event where the community just come together, have fun, and just vibe out like one last time before winter comes, you know? So super big shout out to y'all. Yo!
What's up, everybody? We took a little detour. We got lost and now we're at the beach.
I think.
If you see behind me, that's on the beach. Yeah, so we're about to go to the beach, right, Ryan?
Oh, my hat.
Okay. Right, Nelly?
Now we're at the beach. Don't know why. Now we're at the beach. Bro, I've never been to New York Beach before, so this is a first for me. What is in front of us? That looks like The Walking Dead, bro. Yo! Wait. Yo, it's your boy. Hey, yo, it's Ryan. Shout out to FLIPZCO. Shout out to Justin. We out here today. Give you everything you want and need.